Where is fridge? This is fridge. This is the bowl. Have this bowl.
Yeah.
Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Okay, I'll give you some ice. Keep this in the bowl. Is it cold? Thanda ache? Thanda? Okay. Thanda? I'll help. Okay. It's cold. Okay. बाकी धरो. Hold the bowl. चलो रो दे. Sunlight. We'll wait for some time and देखिए what will happen. What is this? Chuta. Ice. Where is ice? Okay, ice in Rode. Rode means sunlight. It have started melting and Srija is quite excited. She wants to touch it. I'm trying hard. Let's see what happens next. Check. Ice cold. Where is ice? Ice to jaw like it turn into water. Pooja, is it water? Yes or no?